Hi friends, back again. There was one other thing I wanted to show you guys in regards to ClickFunnels, and that is something called the Funnel Rolodex. And let me log in real quick. The Funnel Rolodex is a database of professional graphic designers, funnel builders, funnel strategy makers, copywriters, video animation, and so on. So, what the funnel Rolodex does is create a place where you can go and get these services done for you. So, after you come through the One Funnel Away challenge, you learn how to make a funnel, you learn how to write content, things of that nature. Excuse me for yarning. You may not want to do all of it for time sensitive situations. You may want to write your own content, but have someone else build your funnel. Or have someone build the funnel and do your graphics within the funnel, the graphic design. Or you may build your funnel, do your graphics, and hire somebody else to do your copywriting. So let me sign in and show you how this works. Also, there's a place where if you are a graphic designer, if you are really good with building funnels, if you are good with creating copy, content, words that go into a funnel, you can post yourself up on a Rolodex and sell your services. So this is a place where people can buy services or offer their services for sale. All right, so I always come here to look for um, video animation. So if you need a video created, a short video created, excuse me, for your YouTube page or um, like an introduction video, you can, or a video for your funnel. I make my own videos for my funnel, but you can do a creative like animated video with your voice by hiring someone to do it for you. And these are different people that have listed their services in the funnel Rolodex. See, they're really affordable. See, $30, $5, some are $150. But you can click on these and see what type of style, what type of professionalism, what type of flow they have with their creation of animated videos and choose. I like to do intro and outro. So I have reached out to a designer who created an intro and outro video for my YouTube page. And I liked his creation and I purchased it. I think it was this guy right here, Eric Hammer, I think. I'm not sure. But yes, I have used the Funnel Rolodex before. And I really like it. It saves you a lot of time and it's very affordable. So if you have the extra money and you are short on time, you can log on to the Funnel Rolodex and hire someone to help you create whatever it is you need to create. They can create a whole funnel for you. with the graphic designs and copyright, or they can do parts of it, as you request. All right, so that's it for the funnel Rolodex. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Also, please leave a comment and let me know what you think about this content. Stay tuned for the next video. Have a great day.